Dear respected brothers and sisters, not only we have to take from this country, we have to give something for this country, and we have to work together. That's why Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, He has sent us here. Everybody say Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, walillahil hamd. As I said, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala said, Inni ja'iluka linnasi imama. I made you leader of the whole ummah. Then Ibrahim alayhi salatu wasalam said, وَمِن ذُرِّيَّتِي. What about my children? Today, are you thinking about your children? Are you worried about your children? Do you think if you are not sending them for far place to learn the Islam, after how many years before I am coming for Salat, one brother, he was crying. I don't want to mention anybody's name. One brother, he was crying, Huzur, make dua for me. My daughter, she has gone with the other faith people. I don't know. She is not receiving our call. She is very beloved to us. Make dua. He was asking them, oh my dear brothers and sisters, he is here. Oh my dear brothers and sisters, if you are not give them teaching of the Quran, sometimes we have argument with the wife in front of our children. And our children, they don't like.